Game failing to initialize because of the Emp-tool module DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming. To start the walkthrough for Emp-tool module, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Emp-tool module, frequently associated with localized game engine modules or repack integrity tools. It manages the background verification of game assets. Because it performs deep file scanning, it is often flagged by Windows Defender. If missing, the game may fail to launch or crash during the initial license verification phase. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Emp-tool is a restricted library bundled with the Localized engine orchestration engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Emp-tool module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. It is important to avoid manual installation of Emp-tool module DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing Emp-tool module library references. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Emp-tool module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.